So we made it to our destination. I don't know if you guessed, but we're in Grenada, the Spice Island. And right now we're staying at the Sandals Resort, and we just had a mini tour of the property, and we just checked into our room. Let me show it to you. Let me take you into our room. Welcome to our suite. So we have the, typical mini bar here with all of our cocktails, and you choose what you love, and they're gonna bring it to you in your room. And of course, the coffee maker and the kettle, and we have a mini fridge here with all the water, beer, pop, anything that your heart desires, they will get it for you. And now we're in the dining room and the living area. So here's our dining room. We have our little snacks here and our champagne already popped. And we have the living space. Okay, this is bigger than my house. I'm gonna take you out to our balcony. The views are amazing. Can you see that blue over there? Yeah, that's the ocean. Okay, we have the bathtub for you bath lovers out there. And here's our balcony. Okay, I know you love the bathtub on the balcony, but let me show you something else that you're going to love. Look at this. Plunge pool on our balcony. How amazing is that? That I love the beach. And I'm gonna be heading there. Look at the views. Look at the color of that water. Stunning. Now I'm gonna show you our room. It's huge. Like, I can't believe how big this room is. So this is the bedroom with the huge king size bed. Here's our room. Have a nice little decor happening here. And then, if I can't wake up in the morning, I'm just gonna go for a little dip right off my broom to wake me up. Seriously, how amazing is this? So we could enter the plunge pool here from our room or from our balcony right here. Beautiful, beautiful. And the views, stunning. Okay, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna show you our washroom. Okay, we have two sinks here. Like, look at that. It's huge. We've got one. For you bath lovers, we have another large bathtub and a huge shower. Literally, I think we could have a party in the shower. It's huge. And of course, the signature Red Lane products and a vanity area for the ladies to get ready, do your makeup. Hi.